there's people up there. Otherwise, I would have went all the way and showed y'all the view. I know there's another view up here though. There's some people up there. It's stalker mode. Okay, it's time to go. So I found a book on the way on my hike and I've just been carrying it. It was left on the ground, which was kind of messed up, but whatever. It's very nice out today, y'all. I'm gonna be going to another hiking spot just because I didn't get to finish this one. I mean, I would have gotten to the top, but I heard some guys screaming up there and I'm like, oh, I don't want to gamble. I'm a female, so yeah. So I just put my camera on, but I don't know if you can see it, but there's two big huge chunks of wood and that's supposed to block it off, but I think people broke it and rolled it up. It looks like, see, let me see if I can show you. See. Anyways, it's pretty alert. I think I'm gonna go that way.